he going to put. Sushi is good to eat.
Yo, come to the block and pick me up, or I'm not dropping.
YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. This video a little different today. We out here in Mexico testing out the machines. Your homework on 1,000 horsepower M5. Do I gotta break this shit down? 800 horsepower M2 CS GT3. Do I gotta break this shit down? Nah, but we out here testing the cars tonight. You know what I'm saying? Seeing what these bad boys can really do here in Mexico and shit. So yeah, y'all know the vibes, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, man. Support. Yo, road to 1,000 subs, man. Support your boy. Y'all know the vibes, man. We here.
Lights on and people watching.
There's that 9, baby. That's a 9 right there. I'll be back.
Alright, y'all, M5's going for another pass right now. Third one of the night, man. Let's do it. chat. How we looking, coach? We are out here at a fucking road race, nigga. As you see, I got my fucking blanket on, nigga. We got fucking... Whoa. Y'all banging out. He's banging out. That nigga was just fishtailing the whole block just now. He's banging out. Nah, he's banging out. Now he just went nuts on his whole shit. I thought he was gonna come this way. You moving? You didn't see my face? Nigga, I thought he was gonna. Nigga, I thought all he was gonna have to call the insurance. Nigga, I thought he was about to make it to every code. Nigga, I was nervous. Nigga, I still would watch the race. That's got my opinion. Me too. I call it. I call it. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. Yo.
They say they gonna turn back around.
Nigga,
We just out.
I ain't gonna lie, that probably would be smarter because that's more straight though. Feel what I'm saying? So that probably would be straight, yeah. Because they're gonna turn and then it's just straight road down here. So I mean, that would be smarter. Well, let's see though. That's them? Oh yeah, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over.
They should be happy.
It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. And just like that.
He walking that
Just like
shit.
that. It's over.
You don't got nothing. Huh? You don't got nothing. Who? Yo! For who though?
The M4? I ain't gonna lie, the M4 Boogie, bro.
Bro, he
M4
was
Boogie.
like that.
He was right there with him. No.
Time out. Turn the camera off.